Welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. Today we're going to talk about ADA against Bitcoin, against the US dollar. We're going to jump right in. Here we go. I'm going to sound repetitive like this all the video. Just kidding. Welcome back. We're going to do ADA in all ways today. We're going to start off with Bitcoin. I kill myself. We're going to start off with Bitcoin on the weekly chart. We're going to look at a couple things here. We're going to look at it on the US dollar. We're going to look at it on the Gaussian channel. We're going to see where it's going, where it could be headed next, all that good stuff. So if you like the video today, give us a thumbs up. Or if you hate it, just click out. You already left. We've made a nice move over the past week. As you can see, I mean, 41% candle against Bitcoin is pretty impressive. So why is it doing that? And what could propel it to the next level? I'm glad you asked. Going back to ADA's history against Bitcoin, we'll look at July of 2020 here. We made a local high here after being in a prolonged kind of just nothing sideways market, as ADA tends to do time to time. So we go all the way down, make a nice little bowl kind of shape here. We come back up. Once we break our previous local high, we have an explosion, right? Then you form your next local high. You come back down, another nice little U-bowl here. And guess what? We break our previous high with the candle and explosion. We rinse and repeat, make another local high, come back down. And what do you think's going to happen when we clear that with another weekly candle? You guessed it. Explosion. What's the next level above that? I'm glad you asked. Let's get rid of this crap over here. Scroll right on over here. This is on a weekly chart, by the way. This is our previous all-time high bull market back in 2017, 2018, right at the end of the bull, start of the bear. Once we clear that, it's all bets off for ADA against Bitcoin. So we're not that far away now, are we? ADA's doing much better than most. I had a hell of a run the past year. It was even 2 cents back in March pandemic drop. So significant returns to say the least, okay? But look at the structure that it's forming here. Tear up, break, tear up, break, tear up, break, tear up. Look at the dates here. So if this pattern continues to play out, I would say maybe towards the end of 2021, start of 2022, we could see some real fireworks out of ADA against Bitcoin. Look at the giant formation. If you cut this in half, it looks almost like a mirror image. Very rhyming. Peak and peak, peak and peak, peak and peak, right? Something like that. Not always mirror, but rhyme. So they don't have to continue this, but often you'll see coins. You can go back and look and see similar moves on a big scale, right? This is going back to 2017. Big scale. So that's Bitcoin. Let's go look at ADA against the US dollar. See what else we can see. So this is on a 5-day Gaussian channel. We've held perfect support above the channel so far. That's what you want to do to remain super bullish. It's even getting scared. It's really launching away here. So look at on the 5-day, we're approaching the highest 5-day candle close in ADA's history here. Pretty miraculous stuff going on. So I would expect maybe a nice little battle here. We came right up to this previous top. You could even draw this right here. Look at this line, right? Once we clear this, we could maybe expect to see some more fireworks out of ADA. Now, does that happen this candle, next candle, several weeks from now? Who knows? But this is the structure you want to be watching for. Okay, so usually after you've been in a prolonged red Gaussian channel on a 5-day, you turn back green, and if your price action's on top of the channel, that's your go signal. That's your go time, right? So it doesn't always have to go up like this immediately, but you could even see that we came back down, but we held support. 5-day is very non-fakey outy, right? You have a lot on the 5-day Gaussian channel. It's very dependable, and historically speaking anyway. So nice move, came down. Now we're testing it. Maybe we're doing something like this again. Maybe we're this move, right? We don't know, but I would expect a continuation blast zone if we continue to break this with candle 5-day. These are 5-day candles. We close in 1 day and 9 hours. If you see us closing above here, get ready. All right, let's look at the moving averages. We're on a weekly chart again. This is your 20-week simple moving average in the red, your 21 exponential moving average in the yellow. Usually you want the yellow on top to make your significant big moves. Look at any kind of significant jump out against the US dollar for ADA. You break out here, maybe look at this similarities here. Consolidation period, breakout above the 20 the band here, consolidation sideways, run into the band, retest, and then explosion. Breakout, maybe we go sideways for a few weeks, maybe not, right? But we want to watch for this to run into this line. We want the yellow to get on top, the red to maybe do something like that, right? We run into it and then explode. That's what we'd want to see out of prices. That would be ADA well on its way to $3, $4, maybe even higher. I do think ADA could potentially reach $10 over or higher over the the coming end of this bull run, whenever that may be, whether it's 6 months from now at the end of the year or 16 months or 32 months. We don't know when it's going to end, but I do expect ADA to do quite well. I think we're just kind of getting started here. Maybe something else similar to this to the upside here. Okay, so that is the moving averages for ADA. And let's go look at one more thing. The weekly chart. Going back to our little bowl theory. ADA's like a Russian nesting doll bowls, right? It's a bowl within a bowl within a bowl within a bowl. See the big bowls? And look at this, even down to the smallest level here. Once you clear this top, usually you're going to have a breakout. Sometimes you'll come back and retest that level. If you hold previous resistance as support, that's when you know you're ready to blast off. Hence the blast off. Then you make your next top, right? Resistance, come back down. Resistance, 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 breakout, explosion. Next local top, rinse and repeat again. These are all levels from previous tops, right? From years past. 2017, 2018, right? Look at these peaks. On a big scale here, this is pretty impressive for ADA. This is against the US dollar now, but previous local top, resistance, break it, explode. Where? The next local top. Right? Now we formed, this is why it's taken some time. We're forming a new market structure out of ADA. We've destroyed our previous locals, our previous all-time high back there. And now look, we're just ranging, holding as perfect support. We're building our new base. That is great news. Great sign out of ADA. Our moving averages are separating on a weekly scale. That's big time, right? You don't want them mixed up here. ADA could be set for its next big move. Once we break this on a weekly scale, this all-time high closing candle is 230. This closed at $2.30 right here. That's what these mean. Open, high, low, close. There's your monetary gain and there's your percent gain. If you see us on a weekly scale closing candles, not a wick, if you see us closing a candle on a weekly time frame above 230, get ready. The next tier up is coming. It's been forming for years, right? Look at these tiers. The Russian nesting dolls of tiers. Bowl, 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 little bowl, baby bowl. This is the baby doll down here. Okay, so that's ADA in a nutshell today. Wanted to throw that out there. 5-Day Crypto. My name's Chase. Press the like button if you haven't already. If you didn't, you either left as soon as I started laughing in the beginning or you loved it and you're still here, right? Nothing's too serious in life, okay? We're here to help you make some more money in crypto, lose less of it. I've been here 5 years. I'm here to help you with nothing in return but just the like button, okay? That's all I got. It's like the Ferris Bueller. You're still here? It's over. I appreciate you staying around this long if you have. I'll see you on the next video. Who knows what we'll do?